On the iPhone camera, it sets an exposure that is the best for the overall picture. But if I just tap on the sky, it readjusts for proper exposure for the sky. If I tap on my little orange Cocapelli here, it exposes for him and the sky goes bright. If you want to adjust even further, you tap anywhere, then swipe down on the screen, anywhere on the screen. Notice the little sun there goes up and down, and it will set the exposure darker. Swipe up and it sets the exposure lighter. So your smartphone's camera will try to get the best overall exposure. But here I have one subject. My subject is my Cocapelli sitting in here. Notice if I get closer and get right centered, the exposure does adjust to him and the sky is washed out. If I back up and I point to the sky, it has a better exposure, but Cocapelli is kind of dark. You can specify. So I can touch and hold on Cocapelli and it will adjust this exposure proper to him. Or from the same position, I can touch and hold on the sky and it adjusts the exposure there. While I touch and hold, do you see how there's this little sun that appears? If I drag that to the left, the exposure goes down. If I drag it to the right, the exposure gets brighter. So that's how you adjust exposure on at least this Samsung S21 Ultra.